Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So I'm doing this unboxing review for the first time. This is the new Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3i laptop, which is probably an upgrade from last year's Lenovo IdeaPad L340. And this is the higher end model, which has got the GTX Nvidia 1650 Ti. While the 1650 and 1650 Ti may not have a huge difference, I'm not that technical to comment at this point of time. But from price perspective, when it was released on Flipkart earlier, they had a price difference of 3000 Indian rupees. So this was priced at something around 80 plus, but it has been brought down and now the difference of price is just about 1000. Without wasting further time, let's have a look at the packing. So this is the actual packing from Lenovo, but when delivered by Flipkart, so I received it today, that is the 6th of August. It comes with an outer Flipkart packing, so it looks like any other standard packing with all the labels stuck over here. I have a pair of scissors with me, so I'll start with the unboxing. Okay, so managed to open this. Let me pull out the beast. I'm going to call this as the beast. Okay, so it's got some sturdy packing material put all across. So I'll remove it from all the four sides. Plus, what else is there? Let's have a look. We have the charging cable that connects to the adapter. Okay, so, and this is probably the complimentary gaming mouse that has been provided. You have the setup guide and the safety and warranty guide along with it. And this is the adapter. I've heard that this gets heated up quite a lot. It's a 135 watt adapter, and it comes with a different charging port. So when we open the laptop, we can have a look at it. It's quite different. It looks like a USB cable, but it's got a pin inside. Okay, so that's it. I think the box is empty. Let's now unpack the main laptop. So gradually we'll pull this apart. So the front, back and two at the side. And here you have the beast. You have the Lenovo logo over here, and on the right hand side you have the ventilation port as well as one USB port. Then you have the IdeaPad branding behind, and let me come closer, on the left hand side you have the charging port. Then you have the indicator lights, RJ45, HDMI, another USB port, then USB Type-C, and the integrated headphone jack, and I see a small indication of a microphone input, and there's another LED out there. Let's open it now. Okay, it's got a screen guard. It looks quite good from inside, and this doesn't have RGB lighting, but I think it has got the keyboard backlit with white color. So you have the logos over here and the touchpad, and if you watch closer you can also see the webcam. There's a sticker over here, I need to remove it, and there's a privacy shutter. I've been told that it gets stuck up sometime, and you also have a mic over here. And when you open this up, you can probably, if you look across the hinges, you can see that there's some ventilation provided from there too, plus there's a ventilation at the bottom. It looks quite neat. There are certain curves that's been provided at the corners of the screen and at the bottom of the bezel. Yeah. With regards to performance, I would probably put up a review later on. This was just the unboxing. So let's open the gaming mouse. That's probably we have not unboxed yet. So this is the gaming mouse, a complimentary gaming mouse that has been provided. Okay, I am not a gamer. I have purchased this laptop primarily to do quite a bit of video editing. I did have an Asus X552LD earlier, which had integrated 2 gigs of video memory, but the processor was i5 4th generation. I probably purchased it somewhere around 2014-15. It's good from performance perspective, but since it did not originally have an SSD, I had to upgrade that to make it faster. Nevertheless, it was a good laptop. This is both the laptops are again 15.6 inch. So that's it from me on this unboxing video. I'll try to make another video with regards to video editing performance, not specific to do with gaming. Thanks for watching this. Have a nice day.